Hey everybody, this is Steve at Chiefskills, and I'm just doing some quick review on some of the new features in Chief X12. And one of the most incredible features, I think, is this new tray ceiling tool. And I have a little plan here, and this side has actually got a 12-foot ceiling. This has got like a 9-foot ceiling. If you look outside, I don't have a roof on it or anything, just basic. And so we're going to go in here, and to just the basics of this tool, if you click in the room, you get the tool, which is right here. It's a little symbol, shows you kind of like a tray ceiling. So you click that, and the width coming in from the walls will be 24 inches, and the depth up will be 12 inches. And then you can tell it, recess it into the ceiling. So let's just do that and see what happens. And you basically get a polyline there, and there is your ceiling. So this is your 12-foot ceiling. And if you click on this right here, even in 3D, you get this tool, which looks the same, but it actually isn't. It's the nested tray ceiling. So then you can click it again, and you can go 24 and 12 and go up, and it'll go right from there and create another tray ceiling. And the other thing is you can come down here and click on this, open it. Well, I'll show you. You just come down here with the little open door tool, open it, and you can add a molding to it. You can add a molding to it when you build it, but so dash 34, that's a Chief standard crown mold right here. And just add it on there, and it puts it right on there for you. I mean, talk about a time saver. I mean, it's amazing, really. And so that's pretty simple. Let's go back here again. I'm just going to delete these and we're going to start over. I'm going to show you some other things. So you click in here and you click this, and you maybe recess it to the ceiling. You don't have to. You can have a drop ceiling. And then you can come in 24 and go up, say 36. Let's make it 24. And maybe go in 16 from the walls, 24 up, and we are going to put it on a 12-12 pitch. So see, it changed to pitch when you go here. So the pitch is vertical here. That's standard. But when you change it, you can change it to a pitch. So let's just say 9-12 and click OK. And you get this type of a ceiling right here with a little pitch on it. And you can come into the room here still and add a molding. Instead of using floor defaults, add a molding. So let's just say dash 34, just because I know what it is. And we'll change the size of it to retain aspect ratio, maybe make it 6 inches just for fun here. And you can get a room molding right below your tray ceiling. And sorry about that. So if I do this is another new feature. It's called the hide camera when you're going around on the outside. And it is another fantastic feature. So you can step back and see inside these rooms like you've never been able to do before. So I have a hotkey for it, just HC. But you can turn that on in any camera. So if I turn it off and I'm here in this room overview camera, I think you can go right here to the edit active view maybe. And right here at the bottom, see where it says hide camera facing exterior walls? Just click that and it'll go off. So as you go around, all your exterior walls kind of disappear as you, so you can see inside these rooms, especially if they're like small rooms. I think it gives you a good perspective on things. And so anyway, 2 new tools right there. And there's a lot more you can do with this ceiling tool. So let's move along and I'll show you something else you can do. Let's just delete that for now. You can do an amazing thing here. You can just draw a polyline. Let's just draw something in here. I'll just draw it to there for now. Well, we'll just draw it like this. And I will center it in the room, just random here. And I'm going to center it on this window right here, which is centered in the room. And then I'm going to center it on this window right here. And then I am going to put a break in it right here and pull this down. And then Oh, I don't know, just to make it simple, I'll just do this and convert this to a curve and do that. And then this tool is underused, I think, but it's convert curve to polyline. It'll make things a lot smoother. So let's make it 20, just arbitrarily pick a number there. And so now we have this little polyline right here. We can copy it right here and reflect about. And then click both and use this tool right here, Polyline Union, delete original. And then do the same, copy and reflect about, Polyline Union, and delete original. Now you have this polyline and you can click on it, come down here to the convert box, and now they've given us this little option right here, convert to a tray ceiling, right there. And it'll open up this general box again, and I maybe make it 8. I don't need to, and recess into ceiling, and then click OK. Now if we go down in here, you'll see that ceiling right there. And so just let your imagination run wild. You can do just about any shape you can imagine and create a ceiling. And you can still nest this, but what I've discovered is if you try to nest it like this, let's just do this, it doesn't, well, it kind of does the curves for you. So yeah, you can even edit this after the fact. Nah, not really. So if you delete that, it goes away. You can try it again, nest it, and maybe only make it 8 inches wide, 8 inches tall. And there you go. And you can add moldings to this, so that's even more incredible. So it's a great new tool, and you can basically use a polyline to create just about any shape you want. So let's take a look at another ceiling type here real quickly. Let's just get rid of these. And this time I am going to come up here to the circle and circle about center. And I'm going to pick this line up, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. Yep. And I'm just going to draw a circle right here in the ceiling. And again, I can just click this, come down here to the Convert Polyline tool, and convert that to a tray ceiling right here. And do this, and just go up maybe 8. And you can go here to the Moldings tab and add new, and let's just do the one we've been doing, -34 right here. And you can also change the line style right here. I like to put it on CAD default, but it doesn't matter. Maybe make it a gray. And fill, you can change the materials right here if you want. And just click OK. Now when you look at it, you have a circled ceiling in the middle. And again, you can just nest these. Come down, click on the tool right here on the ceiling hole you just created. Click on the nested tool and make it 8 by 8 again, and click OK. And it'll nest up inside there. Now, you saw it drop down, and that's because the main one right here, if you open it for edit, on the general panel, it's not checked recess. But if you check it here, it'll move the whole thing up. And so there you go. The circular tray ceiling, very simple to make. So that's a quick tip on tray ceilings in the new Chief X12, which they have done an amazing job on that. And hope you enjoyed it.